Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Mama, there goes that man. Because he is a bad man. The best running back in the country. But hold on. Not only is he making noise on the field, he even making noise off the field as well. What you mean, Rail? The kid just bought his mom a brand new truck. What you say? Now that's tough. And he ain't even played a down for Alabama yet. That's even more tough. And for all the folks that's hating in the background, y'all just mad because y'all can't get y'all mom a new car. And he did it on Valentine's Day. I can't even say I bought my mama a car. But shout out to Mr. E.J. Crowell. You can tell mama happy. She's smiling harder than he is. Keep being great, kid. And to all my Bama fans, can I get a roll